Is Quikrete Blacktop Repair safe for the environment when used for small asphalt repairs around the home? Quikrete Blacktop Repair is a cold patch asphalt product intended for consumer use on potholes and small driveway repairs, and it contains ingredients similar to conventional asphalt mixes, which means it can release volatile organic compounds during application and will ultimately behave like asphalt in place. For homeowners concerned about runoff, avoid applying the material before heavy rain, clean tools with minimal water, and prevent excess material from entering storm drains by using barriers or absorbent cloths. If you need documented environmental credentials, consult the product technical datasheet and safety datasheet, which list composition, handling precautions, and any manufacturer claims about emissions or recyclability, because labels on consumer packaging do not always cover regulatory testing. For disposal, let waste material cure fully and then discard with construction debris according to local waste rules, or contact local recycling centers to ask if cured asphalt is accepted. Consider alternatives if you want lower volatile organic compound formulations such as water-based or recycled rubber-modified cold patch products, and compare their datasheets for measured emissions and leaching tests. When working in sensitive areas near streams or wells, use physical containment. Collect all wash water, and consult local environmental guidance to reduce the chance of contamination. 3 common concerns are runoff into storm drains, worker exposure during handling and disposal of leftover material. To prevent runoff, do repairs on dry days, build temporary berms from soil or absorbent pads, and sweep up excess material immediately so it does not travel with surface water. For exposure, wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a simple dust mask when handling dry mix. Avoid prolonged skin contact and wash thoroughly after use, and always read the safety data sheet before starting. For leftover material, allow small amounts to cure fully, then dispose as construction waste or ask your municipal waste authority for guidance to avoid illegal dumping. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like driveway repairs and material selection, showing local options and peer experiences that help inform decisions. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors trade practical tips, post photos, and ask product-specific questions, and our platform also helps contractors find project leads with homeowners who need work done.